Here is how to disable automatic brightness on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open your system settings, then scroll down and tap on display. Here, find the adaptive brightness option and toggle this option off. In some devices, you might see the option of auto brightness instead of adaptive brightness. So toggle off the switch and use the brightness slider to set your preferred brightness level. Your brightness will now remain at the level that you set. You can also use the navigation bar from the top of the screen and adjust the brightness using this slider over here. And this way, the adaptive brightness that allows automatically adjusting your screen brightness based on your surroundings or usage patterns will be turned off. And you'll be able to use the slider to adjust your brightness according to you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.